are câinele.
Una n-are câinele.
A year. But the dog is got a year, but her grandmother, she's been keeping her for 6 months, I think.
Oh my gosh. Îi dăm asta jos, nu? Să fii cu mine. Ok. Da, și mai pot să scriu pe Messenger, nu? Da, pot să scriu.
Ce rinconețe ăsta la încă. De ce nu mai intră acolo? Pune el acolo într-un colț ca să se ducă mai...
Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Good. She's a good girl. Another of our famous faces. I said it was a special bus. I said it was a really special happy bus, and it really is. I can't see if any of you are commenting to guess who this girl is, but just take a look at her. Guys, can you believe this is Ivy? This is Ivy. One of the most emaciated cases we have taken on and taken in our time. She was a walking skeleton. We were alerted to her back at the beginning of June by a lady who had seen her living her life on a chain. She had mange, she was a skeleton, she was skin and bone. You could count every bone on her body. She weighed under 5 kilos. She's now a happy, healthy girl, weighing over 10 kilos. She's doubled in size. She looks amazing. Guys, she was kindly named and sponsored by Gaynor Pont. Thank you so very much. So many people donated towards her chicken dinners, towards her special diet, towards her vet care. You guys, our supporters, have got her. Look how she looks. Look at her. She's incredible. She's amazing. It's special thank you to Matilda Pacey. Thank you so much, Matilda. This is your girl. Let's get Ivy, one of our famous faces, onto the bus. Wow, how lucky you are, Matilda. You really have a special girlie coming home.